I haven't played Jumpy in a while.
We don't have a builder, but we have 2 more spaces. Oh wait, we also don't have a tank.
We have a junker, we're fine.
Come on, does the Tux want a tank? Yes. Alright, I'll go genj.
You have my thanks.
Thank you.
Ah, cheers.
Thank you. Greetings.
Hey, we also have Hanzo, cool.
I'm just spamming, have a nice day.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
I will strike our enemies where they do not expect.
Hello there.
Nope, close.
Arigato.
Hello. I'm just hopping around.
Clearly.
Who doesn't have one? There. There
I
we go.
believe I can fly. Fuck. I didn't make it.
1. Attackers incoming.
They don't have anyone upstairs.
Stop
Oh
the
fuck,
pain.
they went.
Holy sh!
Did they go freaking all Roadhog?
Did they?
I feel like they did. Roadhog
No,
and...
I can hear a Reaper.
Yep, Roadhog and
That's
Reaper.
You for the dank heals. Jeez.
How the
Damn.
fuck did you get that already?
Thank you.
On fire. Well.
Behind you. Thanks, Daria.
Reaper!
Roadhog and side.
Good.
Thank you. Why can't I not get up there? Please. For the love of God. Whatever. It don't matter.
It looks like we're gonna have a roasted pig for dinner. Screech!
I'm keeping them in their
Reaper's going up
spawn
top for
position.
some reason.
That was my first death down. They thought this would work. They were wrong.
We have 2 Reinhardts now.
Oh dang.
Oh God, guys, save me, please.
Jesus!
Oh.
How the hell?
Yes.
Oh my god.
I don't know what part of this I thought was gonna work, but it's fun so far.
Today.
Guys. Focus road.
Heroes never die.
Guys, Roadhog above.
Yeah, he can't really do much up there. I think he's just trying to make sure the Hanzo doesn't go back up there.
Ooh.
Reaper behind us.
Alright. I'll take care of them. Or Blazy got it.
Oh, rip. Reinhardt's pretty low health because he doesn't
Yep, I
realize
got
it.
him.
Got him.
Damn it! Fucking Reaper got me.
Be annoying. Whee!
Yeah. Reaper? Or Reinhardt?
30 seconds.
Yeah, I can shoot you through this, right?
I just need a few seconds.
Teleporter online.
Got him. 15 player kill streak.
They're moving. We need to stop them.
30 seconds.
Got him.
Ow!
Oh shit.
Got him.
Oh, never mind.
Oh!
Whoever just saved my ass.
Shit,
Pushing back.
shit.
Got him.
Got
We got this. Awesome.
That
Hey.
was
Damn.
fucking good.